Look at this.
You
Ta-da!
have to hold it. What if it falls down?
But
Hold
it's not.
it.
It's not falling down. See? It's stable. It's stable inside this train.
I don't think it's stable.
See? How do you like it? How do you like it? How do you like it? Is it proper thing? It's stable, huh? The one in Glen Waverly's train is stable over there. But in here, it's stable here. And the windows are stable. Okay. It's so fun to watch it. There's a petrol station over there. I just watched the video. I watched the video. There's someone lighting on the ground.
Now arriving at Caulfield. Change here for Frankston services.
Hey, look at the outside. But I have a great idea. Look, there's a shade there. That video. You like it? See?
Yeah, you can see the tram over there.
Yeah, you like it, the video?
I like the video.
I like to cross my legs. Guys, it's stable. Look at this. There's a girl.
Caulfield. Change here for Frankston
Let's send it to the
services.
TV.
Yeah. You can send it to TV.
And I can watch it on YouTube.
Okay.
I can watch it on YouTube.
Okay.
Now find that show on YouTube.
Yeah.
Big train.
No, this one. This one I want. These two, I want these two will kill me. This one
Yeah.
I want to get to. I couldn't.
The next station is Carnegie.
When we get to Know Park, I'll show you the video.
Okay.
I'll show you the video when we get to Know Park. I'll show you the video in Harvey. I'll show you the video. Mom, why the video is give me again?
What do you mean by that?
How many stops?
Can you count it?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now arriving at Carnegie.
Oh, 10
10
stops.
stops? Okay.
There's 10 stops near
Till Noble Park?
Yeah. This cat.
Where possible, please do not enter
But what's the sound?
disabled people to enter underneath the train safely. And if you exit, please take the time to check the surroundings and ensure you have all accessible belongings with you. Have a safe and pleasant evening and enjoy your travel with us.
What the announcement say? What the announcement say?
I did not really listen earlier. I'm sorry. Ang na ako.
Look at the window. This video sticking out here.
Now arriving at Marambina.
Kaya talaga nang nag-ano siya kanina. Monkey word.
Hindi ko nakita.
Hindi ko rin na-expect na kakalanin.
Pero okay na inisip ko na patry.
Pero after ng ayaw niya muna ulitin. Kasi minsan yung grip nga niya lang sa t-shirt niya, hindi niya maayon. Naglalet go siya. Pero kaya niya talaga.
How many stops?
Marambina.
You know na already, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stops.
Stops. Okay.
But why is this also that? It looks like it's that part.
Which one?
That one.
That's Sandown Park.
But it looks like
It does look like
The
Sandown
next
Park.
station
Yeah,
is
that's right.
Tuesdale.
Marunong mag-recognize ng patterns.
Anak ko eh. Anak na.
Now arriving at Tuesdale.
look at Daddy. Daddy? Aren't
How many?
Tuesdale.
Doesn't say. There. Check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6 stops.
6 stops.
You want to count it again?
There's 6 stops.
6 stops. Okay. 6 stops. 6 stops. I told you 6 stops. Okay.
But Wari arrived. What's the thing?
It's going to Cranborne. Stopping all stations.
The next station is Oakley.
Oak. Oak? Like in Minecraft? Oak?
Yeah.
Look at the view. How many steps? 1, 2, 6 stops. 1, 2.
Now arriving at Oakley.
Look at the train. It's so fast. I think it's going far away. Why this is this time?
This is scrambled though.
But trains transform stops to trains transform to stops.
Transform the stops.
Yeah.
No, right now it's not. It's just saying if this is going to Cranbourne.
But why is it going to Cranbourne?
Yeah,
The next
that's the
station
last
is
stop of this
Huntingdale.
train line. The Huntingdale is where mommy gets off when you go to office.
But I have to go back. I want to go to Huntingdale too.
Go to Huntingdale too. But Harvey's not there right now. Do you know where Harvey is?
No park.
Where's Harvey?
No park.
Yep, that's right. Should we stop the video? Should we stop the video?
So many videos.
Can we stop it?
No, I'm curious.
Now
Or
arriving
yes.
at Huntingdale.